Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Sienna versus Vellfire. We'll explore their key differences and similarities to help you decide which minivan best suits your needs. The Sienna is a well-known hybrid minivan, popular for its practicality and efficiency. The Vellfire, on the other hand, is a luxury MPV, often chosen for its premium features and refined experience. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Sienna comes with a hybrid powertrain delivering 245 horsepower, offering a balanced drive. It also provides excellent fuel economy, achieving around 36 miles per gallon combined. The Vellfire, while slightly less powerful at 190 horsepower, excels in fuel efficiency, offering approximately 45 miles per gallon. Both vehicles prioritize a smooth, comfortable ride over raw power. Inside, both minivans prioritize passenger comfort. The Sienna offers seating for 7 or 8, with a maximum cargo capacity of 101 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded. The Vellfire, a 7-seater, provides a luxurious experience with executive captain's chairs that include heating, ventilation, and massage functions. It offers up to 67 cubic feet of cargo space. The Sienna also boasts practical amenities, like an available built-in vacuum and fridge. Considering value, the Toyota Sienna typically starts around $40,000, making it a practical and feature-rich choice for many families. The Vellfire, positioned as a luxury MPV, commands a significantly higher price point, reflecting its premium materials and exclusive features. For those prioritizing everyday utility and efficiency, the Sienna is a strong contender. If unparalleled luxury and a chauffeur-driven experience are your focus, the Vellfire stands out. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.